So we are live. Well done. So welcome everyone to the weekly market outlook. Today we will go through the USD pairs, through the yen pairs, gold, silver, and I will show you the main scenarios for the week ahead. Okay, so let's start first very quickly to just remind ourselves for the previous week recap what happened in the previous week, because it's very important how market listen the structure, and the market is always saying where it will move, what it will do, when it will confirm, when is it ready, and so on. What we have to do is just learn how to read them properly. So the main move for previous week was this dollar move to the downside, which happened very nicely. It started after having news release on Friday. Okay, so after all those news, the market started to move. Before it was a little bit slow, and then we finally grabbed those movements. So this move to the downside, euro dollar to the upside, perfect. All right, there was the last setup on the Friday. Pound USD did well, Aussie USD did well, New Zealand USD did well, USD CAD went lower nicely, USD Chief went lower nicely, gold went up high. I had this buy but took it a little bit earlier, never mind. Gold, silver, I didn't took that one. It was perfect. And as well GPY, alright? GPY, we've been talking about it at the beginning of the week. On Monday, previous Monday, what we were talking about was this move to the upside. Okay, so from there start going up and tagging the top and then reverse. What the price did, it did exactly go to the future reversal point, to that reversal spot. Then it confirms the reversal and started to reverse to the downside. Euro wonderfully went up quite aggressively, going up. Usually these last moves are a little bit slower, but never mind, money stacks even faster if these moves are so fast. So, and then it reversed to the downside, pretty nice. And based on the plan, you see how those structures and this method that I'm using works very, very nice. It always do based on the plan. Look at them perfectly. And as well, if I do remember correctly, there was the Bitcoin as well. Okay, so we were anticipating on the previous live streaming. All right, these two complete. Chart was somewhere there. So I think the webinar was on 22nd, on Thursday, 22nd January. And we were talking about this one more leg higher. It completed this move to the upside and then it went lower. Pretty nice, perfectly market following the structure. Our reading, it's on point. We do understand every single part of the movement, and that's it. That's what we have to do, always in and out, every week, the same scenario. So I was showing you this because this week will be the same. All right, we will do now, we will trade now, and we will see how nicely this structure will follow. Okay, the price will follow the structure. It always does. It goes with the flow, with an easiness, and it's easier to predict than future reversal spots from where the price will go, where our targets will be, and so on. If the price will not do that, it will show you exactly on time. So all we have to do is just read it. All right, so this was pretty week, was very nice, I can say that. So now let's focus on what the market is showing us for this week and what would confirm buys and sells in this week. So let's go. Let's start now with the dollar. I always start with the dollar move. Dollar move is something where I start everything because dollar it's the main mover. Okay, I believe that dollar set the tone for the rest of the market, so that's very important, and why I always start with dollar pairs. DXY, now what I do anticipate over there is definitely a pullback a little bigger, probably something like that, or it can be even bigger. Okay, so we have to see how this will be developing this week, and if we get something like that, then definitely we will be going for one more extension to the downside. Move can go much deeper than we thought. All right, there structurally there is the space, there is the opportunity, there is an option that the price can go deeper, but without having a solid confirmation structure, it cannot. All right, we need this pullback, we need something like that. Okay, I cannot say exactly how it looks like, but that's the point why I have to monitor it every single day. I have to watch it and see what is it trying to tell me. For now, I'm really waiting and anticipating a pullback, which will happen this week, and after that we will be doing what this will tell us. Okay, so I will kind of delete this trend line because it's bothering me. It's this was for the taking profit area. I took profits on euro dollar. All right, I didn't hold it longer because I anticipate the correction, and I'm not willing to hold my trade during these pullback, this correction, because corrections can get complicated and deep, and my profit can be easily erased, and this is something that I don't like to. I won't let the market do that to my trades. I have to protect my profits as well. So this week, watching this pullback over there, what it will do, how it will develop, and so on. It could be short, it could be long, but definitely downside will probably appear over there. If anything else will change, we will see. We will see the difference. Euro dollar, same there. Okay, that one, it went up. We took the trades. I took profits. So 270 has been, the target has been achieved. Target has been achieved. Now I have to monitor this last piece of the structure, what it will do. If this will be correcting, can go higher, and if it will start to struggle over there, it can still go into the deeper correction. This is one option, or it can just correct and then went up, and then it will go into the deeper pullback. Who knows? But what I'm trying to say there, it's keep an eye on these, what this is trying to do, and what is it telling to us. More up, or is it going to go into the deeper pullback? For total reversal, I don't think, for now, as it stands right now, currently there are no signs that the market will turn totally to the downside. From this point to go down, I really don't see it yet. I see it struggling there a little bit longer. All right, this going this and this. All right, at least something like that. Some struggling there at the top, as they used to do. They will not go straight down in the straight line, because there's no signs for this yet. Chart and the structure is not telling that information. It's not saying that we will go to reverse. Pound USD, perfect, perfect. Went up. See how structures are always saying, okay, they will never lie to you if you read them correctly, of course. Now it's at the top. I will take this one off. I would like to have a clear sense of direction. So what this one's trying to do, this is still in big buy setup. Okay, so this still can go way higher than we think. Look at that one. We are in this big movement. How far? 270. Very, very possible. Very, very possible. Now the question is how we will get into that. Okay, so we need to have a plan. We need to know how we will be trading this move. Price can do something like this as well, and this could be the channel in which we will be for the next month probably. Can we are still buy? Yes, of course we will be able to still buy this, but we need a correction. We cannot just jump in where it is right now. The chart is not for buy right now. Okay, we need to have some sort of pullback. Something is happening over there. We will monitor this today. You'll see what this is trying to do. We'll go into the deeper pullback and then go up, or we'll be ready much earlier. So monitoring this and then see one more leg higher, but don't hold these trades. Okay, so if you get into these trades, if you decide, or if you wait for those corrections that gets bigger, and if you catch them, don't hold them for a long, because anytime soon you will have a little bit deeper correction and it will take you out for nothing. So be careful. You need to know how to trade here at the top, because the price, what it can do something like that. Look at that one now. Where's the here, sorry. In case if you enter it somewhere there, look at that one. It went a little bit and then it went into the deeper pullback and still go up. So here's the same scenario. It can go up, and then it will go into the deeper pullback, and then it will go more. All right, so this is what you have to understand. That's why you have to know where you are buying and for how long you will be buying. What is realistic profit you are expecting from the chart? These all are important things, but definitely you can go for buy if you get there. USD, it's very much at the top. I think euro dollar is somewhere there and still has moved to the pound dollar, sorry. But this one's kind of very high. Let's see what they're trying to do. Come on. I will not trade it over there. It's very high. This looks like a completed structure almost. And that's why I will not take the trade over there. I would not be trading it. No, definitely. No trading over there at all. Leave that one, New Zealand USD. USD, New Zealand USD. This one still can go a little bit, but definitely pull back as well expected. This was on Friday. This was the previous week movement, perfectly went. So what the price will do, price can go now in the deeper pullback and then still one more high, but then it will go into the deeper pullback and then it will continue its move to the upside. So you have to understand now that this pullback will happen anytime soon. Look at that one. They always does. Okay, they go, but then they go in the deeper pullback and then they go, and then again they go in deeper pullback and make a huge correction over there, and now they're moving again. What they are doing now, they will make a correction and then they will still go. Okay, this is about to happen. So each formation, there are a lot of formations how New Zealand USD can form, but the key factor there is we have to understand when is it happening, how far, and where approximately will be completed. We don't need to forecast how exactly the correction looks like. Let it happen. All right, we have to let it happen, let it do, let it show us what they are trying to tell us, and then we will start trading it. It shouldn't be that complex. Sometimes we need to give a chart some time. USD CAD, wonderfully going down, same there. It wouldn't go without any correction. All right, so same there, correction, and then still keep on going lower. Minimum tagging this low. As soon as they tag the low, they will go into the deeper pullback, and then they will still continue its way to the downside. Can they go stop there and turn into the big flat? Possible, but I don't see this yet. Okay, I don't see this kind of the movement for now. For now, there is still the sell, which is about to happen over there. I think correction can be much shorter, not that big one. Okay, something like this, and then we will go break this low, and then we will have a little bit deeper pullback, and then they will still move lower and lower in the structure. USD chief went down, so this is where I took on this pair. I took profits little bit too early. All right, I took profits on Friday. Where's my drawing tool? I took it over there. Come on. I took it over there. Okay, this is where I took my profits. And look at that one. Market went double. But never mind. I at least grabbed more money on the other pairs. This is just trading. Sometimes we will cut it on time. Sometimes we will take it too early. But that's trading, right? At least profit is profit. We shouldn't regret if we took earlier profits, because this one went at least double from my entry. Okay, so I closed it there and then it goes double than that in next couple of hours, right? Before the market opened, it was almost double. But never mind. That's just trading, right? Nothing complex. No complications. So let me erase that trend line. Let's see what this was trying to do. He's tagging the low, so he can start struggling now. It will spend some time over there. Probably it will do something like this, then it will go up, down, up, and then we will start heading to the upside. So next week we will see upside probably over there. It won't be that fast this week probably. It will be struggling over there, doing some showing us some lots of momentum, and then it may change to the upside. Definitely pull back on all dollar pairs. That's the anticipated move. This one went perfectly. We took that buy. Perfect. Now I will take that off. Take everything off. Let's see what it's trying to do. We will get that anytime soon. If you get the buy, you can take it, but don't hold it. I wouldn't go anyway for this buy over there because it's too high. Look at that one. The move like that needs to correct. Okay, they always does. Even this move, it went and correct. This move corrects. This move corrects. They always correct, so I wouldn't chase the market over there. Anytime soon we will have a pullback over there. So don't take any trades over there. Maybe this week we will be taking sells over there. If the market goes pullbacks over there and then up, yeah, possible, still possible. But I wouldn't take the trade over there. I will wait for the sell. Sell stop is something that I will be waiting there rather than buy. You're saying gold is crazy. What do you think? How long he can go? I really have no idea how long it can go, but it's going strongly. If it does a buy or pullback, then you can buy short term. Anytime soon we will go downside or deeper pullback. That's what I do anticipate. That's what I see. Anytime soon we will see this. So it will go from there, there, there. I have no idea. But once it will start, then we will see this movement. And this is the opportunity which we can trade. Okay, that's for trading. For investing is a little bit different. But definitely with trading, we can go for this sell. Sells are usually nice. We can take money over there. Look at that one. There is the money. But buying there at the top, not a good idea. Even if you bought it already, if you're still holding it, then I will remove my profits. Really nice. Because what? Gold is similar structure like GPY, Japanese yen. They have the same structures. Anytime soon they will just start going lower. Look at that one. Same scenario as gold. Okay, they are going. Okay. If you're buying for short term, okay, going, and then guess what? Out of nowhere, just break the top and then bang, it will go lower. Now it will be just going deeper and deeper. But I didn't want to move to yen pairs now. I just wanted to show you what gold is about to do at any time soon on in near future. So buying, no, don't take it. If you get the buy setup, in and out, don't hold it. 1-to-1 quickly, in and out. Any trade is active? No, I don't have any trades active currently for now. Nothing active for now. Market is still correcting, and I still need to see some setups. Buy target 5165. 5165. Yeah, it can go up, but definitely very dangerous target. Very dangerous target. Market is slowing down almost. I wouldn't hold that far. Even 15 minutes, it's not showing that strongness. But definitely, if we get there a pullback, we can buy one more leg higher. Take this buy and quickly get out. Okay, we have to be very careful with these profits. Don't hold them. I would never ever buy it there at the top and hold. I will buy and quickly in and out, in and out. My way of trading will change. I wouldn't aim there for 1 to 3 or 1 to 5 risk reward ratio. No, quick 1 to 1, 1 to 2, and that's how I will take it. Because I really don't see it anytime soon. I would, but sell. If I get the sell setup, I will take the sell. Okay, I will take the sell, and then definitely I will be holding it much longer because it has to do something like that. That's how I see it, and I will trade it. I had the buyer there on gold already. I had pretty nice buy setup actually. I was holding it somewhere there. This was a spot, and I removed profit from here. Yeah. I didn't want it to turn to the downside. I could move to the break even and hold, but I didn't want to because it's too high, and that's the reason why I really don't like to hold it. Silver didn't take any single trade. It went up. It went even more than gold. Okay, it went higher than gold. Where and what will happen over there? Let's move to daily. We are all-time high. Chart is very strong. Look at those candles. Momentum is pretty strong. Sell setup not showing it there anywhere. If you get any buy setup pullback, you can buy, but don't hold. Similar with gold. Nothing, no holds. But if we get any pullback, if we get any correction, we can take in and out, and we will be doing these as long as we will get the buy setups. But definitely no holding. Holding, it's not worth of hold because it's at the top. I think Ethereum will 5,000 soon, but gold did. I have no idea. We will see. We will see. That could happen. That could happen. I think tomorrow we could have something like this and then going more higher. Right, so we will see. What we have to do and what I will do is just let the market do. If it does pull back, I will be buying it. If it drops and pulls back like this, I will be selling it. So there is very strict decision what I will do. I will not just buy because I see a candle over there. I would need this kind of information from the chart. Okay, it either gives me the buy or it either gives me the sell stop, nothing between. Currently, from how it stands right now, I wouldn't chase the price. That's not for buying. That's not making sense. At least pullback is needed. GPY, those pairs are very nice. Very nice. Trading it from there to the upside, break the top and then start to reverse perfectly. What we can do now, pull back and keep on selling. Okay, these two, pull back and sell, pull back and sell, pull back and sell. All right, keep on selling back at the trend line at least. Okay, this will be the pullback, and then chart needs to tell us where it is about to go. But this channel can break down anytime soon. All right, this one can break down over there anytime soon. So if catch any sells, it's really worth of holding it. We can go all the way back to this low as well. So move can be huge. We can anticipate something like that as well. All right, so this is the move we can have and see on GPY pairs. Japanese yen pairs are showing that potential. It is there. So how I will trade it? I will be taking taking opportunities there. I will be taking every correction. As soon as the correction is over, I will be trading it like this. Pullback, sell, and back to the trend line. Even I think we will have a breakthrough over there. But we'll see. This is how we'll trade it. Pull back and down, pull back and down. Euro yen, staying there, it went lower. Now I think this is completed over there. This is completed over there. Structure is done. That's the reversal structure. Up, down, and now we formed it, we completed it, and this was the reason why I was buying it only for short term. I was buying it only back at this top, breaking the top. You see, this was the maximum that I get out from there to there. That's it, and selling. Personally, I didn't take a sell because I was so focused on dollar pairs. I was trading a lot on dollar pairs and my focus was totally there, so that's why I didn't have time to focus on GPY pairs as well. I rather pick dollars and fully expose there. That's it. But I will be trading GPY pairs as soon as they will give me the confirmation, as soon as they will give me the correction. Correction is something that I'm anticipating. I will remove this trend line, this arrow, and this is what I'm waiting now. This is what I think. I can even delete this one. So I need to have a pullback and then I will be trading it to the downside. This one is very high. Very high. It's similar like this one. Look at that one. This last part of the structure is kind of similar like this one. Alright, so that means we can go down anytime soon. We have to be very careful now and to not miss the trend because it's gonna be huge. This trend is going to be similar as it was this one. Or is it this one? All right, so let the market do that confirmation. Let the market do whatever it wants to do. It will show us anytime soon. This will be very nicely visible, and then if we get this, I will take it. I will definitely take it. On all the pairs, they are all similar in the structure. Cadian, same there. Perfect. There was the one small setup for buy, took it in and out. That's what I was always repeating. Don't hold trades at the top. Holding was able from there to there and taking profits at the top perfectly. Now we need those pullback on all GPY pairs. That can happen today, tomorrow, or till Wednesday. I have no idea. I will just see. I have to monitor it. I have to keep an eye. Once this will be completed, I will be definitely taking the opportunity on all GPY pairs. New Zealand, this one as well. Trend, it's going now. We need now deeper pullback, and then we will be trading it. We will take a sell over there. I think we will go. I think we will go lower and lower. But without this confirmation, nothing. Don't chase it. Your GBP, trading it from there to the up. I didn't trade in the game forecasting it because I didn't want to take the trade there to the upside because it's too annoying, too slow. And then I didn't take a sell because I was, like I said, totally on dollar pairs previous week. What did your GBP will do? It will go down definitely. One more leg lower. What is it trying to do right now? I think there it will be the deeper pullback, something like that, and then we will be going for more downside and breaking all those lows. There it could be a good setup during the week. During the week there could be the setup. Come on. Okay, this move to go up, then 270 or 618 probably, but 270 is good if you aim for it. That's gonna be everything. So going downside, yes, definitely. Not yet, not yet. It will be maybe tomorrow. You're asking for Bitcoin. Yes, we will go and talk about Bitcoin very shortly. Just bear with me. I'm going step by step. That's just in case we don't miss anything, we don't skip any. Yeah. Okay, I want to go through the whole of the market and see what opportunities are forming, what we will have, and what is it happening. New Zealand cat in and out trade. All right, this could be in and out trade. This going up, something like that, and then it can start going for a deeper pullback. I wouldn't hold it for a long. Structurally, for our daily, let's go to daily. Let's see what it's trying to do. Let me take off everything. This one can go higher, but we need to have a pullback. That's the correction. That's the impulse. This is the pullback, and we can go to 270. Move is there, potential is there, but correction is not there. We need to have now a correction. This can go something like this. This will give us loss of momentum, and then it will go into the deeper pullback. Then we will have a buy setup, and then we will be trading it all the way back to this 270. We will be trading it all the way to the upside. This move can be very huge. At the top, we can expect one more pullback, and there will be 270 target hit it very, very, very soon. Good potential after they gives us a bigger 1 hour, 4 hour confirmation or pullback. Okay, so don't be too fast. But this move is definitely there. Aussie Chief. This can just go tag the trend line, and then it can still go up, and then it will go lower. Why? Because this could be one running flat, breaking the top, even extend a little bit, and then reverse to the downside. Very possible. Oh, this one could be completed as well. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Well, this is not running flat. This will be the loss of momentum, the ending part of the structure. This is 1, 2, and 3. We break the top, and then we'll start going lower. So we are at the top, and this will be more downside. All right, this is about to continuously push lower. Now we have to be very careful because we are at the previous top, close to the previous top. This would probably do something like this, and then running flat, quick running flat, bank, broke all those tops, even extend a little bit, and then it will reverse totally. Very, very, very possible scenario that we could see over there on Aussie Chief. This is the last wave, the third part of the structure. Euro Aussie, still some downside possible. Quick, but not without pullback. So we need to see a pullback. We need to have a pullback, and then going to 270 at least, and then we will start seeing a wave to the upside. So nothing yet. We have to patiently wait for this to happen. Trading this, no, I wouldn't take a trade. This movement can be very annoying. Up, down, up, down, up, and down. So you need to have a lot of patience if you want to go for this buy, because it will always pull back to minus. You will have to be surviving through the pullbacks and so on. So the move can be pretty annoying. Pretty annoying movement can happen over there. But that depends on you if you want to go for this buy over there or not. I wouldn't go. There are much better charts. Euro New Zealand, same there. Pullback and then continuation to the downside. That has to confirm more downside over there. This is very high in the structure. We need to have a confirmation before going deeper. This has to confirm, and then we will be trading more downside. Buy, I don't see the buy yet. Buy, it's something that I will not trade over there. But the chart will go up, right? So that doesn't mean it's the buy. It will go up correctively. And I don't want to be stuck over there in the corrective structures. Because they go up and down, they will just draw you crazy. It will not move anywhere. You will be up 1%, you will be minus 0.5%. You will be up 1.5, you will be down 1%. So that wouldn't probably move very, very strong. Pound Aussie. This one could be much better. This pullback could be deeper and more aggressive. Pullback could be similar like this one. So I think going there with buy setups, yes, but not yet. Let it prove something to you first, and then you are going upside for this movement, and then again sell. But buy something similar to this structure, similar to this pullback. We could trade it, but not yet. There is nothing yet. No signs of any move. We have to wait. Pound New Zealand. Up. This one can go up very soon. But still downside over there possible. So this can be tricky. This and then going down and then it will go up. So be careful how you're trading over there. I wouldn't take trades over there. That's not something that I would like to trade. Skip it. EURUSD. This one's good. This one's good. I will keep an eye on it. We'll see how this one goes. You see why breaking out of the trend line doesn't mean anything. Look at that one. Breaking out of trend line really doesn't mean anything, and you shouldn't be stuck over there by just taking trades based on breakout. All right, so look at that one. It just went, and now it's about to go lower. Why? Because this structure really doesn't look like this is like a sell stop. All right, this part of the structure, it lays down there, or it can extend all the way to 270, and this then becomes one big huge structure for a buy after that. To keep an eye over there, I will be monitoring it. I would like to see how this is trying to do. What is it about to do? Currently there's no sell stop, but during the day, if we get any sell stop, definitely we can take it. Opportunities there, and definitely it's worth of risking the money over there. Potential is big, huge, and money is sitting there if this movement starts to develop. So keep an eye on it. Pound CAD, I think this one will still go a little bit higher. More buys there, at least one leg higher, something like that, and then it may go deeper and deeper, and this then becomes one huge structure for more downside. Possible, right? Very possible movement. And then this is then everything within this daily correction, dropping down this to be a part of the correction, and then going lower, breaking those lows, and then we may go back at the top, tagging, breaking those tops again. This will make similar structure as the yen did, and then we will have a total reversal to the downside. So this is how structure will probably develop in next online. I don't know what happened again. Usually that just happened with internet. So hope we are back. Let me check. Yeah. Okay, we are back perfectly. So sorry for that. I don't know what happened. Just a random disconnect. It just happens sometimes. Okay, so let's continue. This is the move we will be trading. All right, we need to stick to that structure. We cannot change the structure. Something like this. Buy there. I would really not take it. I would really not take it, even if it can go, because this can still go. This can be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It can still go, but this is the movement. I would rather skip it, but then definitely I will be going for this movement by the end of the week. This may start. This may start and start to develop by the end of the week or from the mid of the week. Buy or there, I wouldn't take it. I will skip it. It's not for me. But buy, yes. I mean, sell, yes. This is what I will go for. Let me just draw it perfectly over there. This is the movement, and then 270. That will be the maximum that you can get out of the trade. Yeah, this is the maximum you can get out of the trade, and then this one will go for one more leg higher from there to there. and then we will have a huge movement from here to 270, and then this will be one big structure. I think a little bit lower, it will not go that far, something like that. All right, so this is how I see it for the next. This is how I will be trading it. So first, selling it, it's kind of good movement. I see money there. Once they will start confirming, of course, I cannot just hit the sell button. I cannot sell based on my assumption, because my assumption can be wrong as well. But the chart is the last confirmation. Chart will tell me when this is ready, when I should start taking sells. I cannot just hit the sell button because I want it, because I want the money, because I'm hyped and so on. No. Structure and the market needs to tell me when this is ready. Okay, I need to have a mechanical confirmation, so in case I will not be trading out of euphoria or something else. Pound chief, I think this is still looking great for buy setup. This is the impulse, and I still think that this is the corrective structure, expanded flat, and we will start going to the upside. So this movement possible, very possible, but yet we don't have anything. Okay, we don't have any confirmation for now. Nothing for now, but I will be going for this movement. But I need, like I said, confirmation. This one. During the week, this all can happen. Just let it go, let it pull back, let go, let it pull back. Okay, so you will be entering on those pullbacks, on corrections. You don't need to catch the bottom. On the bottom, there's no money. You will lose more than you will win. Eventually, if you are trying to grab the correction from total bottom or top, you will eventually lose your money. You achieve. Take that off. It went deeper. But oh, this one's trying to go lower. We will go definitely a little bit lower, breaking that top definitely, and then we'll start turning to the upside over there. So a little bit more downside. Oh, I would skip it. I don't want to trade it over there. But yeah, correction's about to happen over there. This correction can happen over there. I don't want to go for this trade. This is the last part of the trade. I'm not interested in. Catch if this one went lower, tag the bottom. Yeah, that's perfect. We can start watching for buy stops. Buy didn't happen over there. Didn't go. Let's take that off. Let's take everything off. Let me see the fresh picture. Yeah, buy. That looks like a buy over there. Or it has to confirm. Let's see what confirmation needs to happen. Okay, so pullback, correction, something like this. If you see these, you can take a sell. It will definitely break out of this structure. Okay, we will have a sell over there, and you can go for this sell if you see something like that. Okay, so this will be your sign that you can go for sell. Can buy happen over there? Yes, buy can happen as well over there, but it will give you a very good reaction. You need to have a reaction, you need to have a pullback, then you will be buying it. Simple. Aussie New Zealand, take that off. Nothing there. Don't trade over there. Don't trade over there. It's not ready yet. This will be next week. This has to go up and down and up. So nothing over there. I wouldn't trade over there. That's the pair I would skip. Aussie CAD, still downside. All right, this pullback still has to happen. I need to have a pullback anytime soon. There will be the pullback, drop, pullback, drop, pullback, drop, pullback. Okay, so nothing yet, but definitely sell. I will wait for the sell stops. Pullback or sell. Can it totally reverse? I don't think so. Just back to the trend line. This will be the pullback, and we will be keep going higher. We are in this huge structure, and that has to go up, break the top, and then we will reverse. So buying it, it's something that we would like to see over there. Pullback and buy. You can trade a pullback, depends how skilled you are. UK oil, let's see. Oops, sorry. Waiting for sell setups. Oil, it's sell setup. Just let it drop, let it pull back, sell, pull back, sell, pull back, sell. Okay, so how far back the trend line? This will be the 1, 2, 3, something like that, what I see, and then it can go up. Very possible structure. This is something that I will follow for this week. I don't see buy over there as it stands right now. Sorry for that. Okay, so yeah, sell setups. Let me just put the arrow over there. Now drop, pull back, drop, pull back, drop, pull back. Okay, so all the way downside, this will be the move. Can it even extend? Yes, this is possible as well. We can have as well one move to the downside. Okay, totally. To reach that bottom. Very possible. What we will do? We will go for sell and then we will decide later. Okay, so definitely this is the first movement. Go first for this movement. And then we will decide. We will decide from there, will it reverse and go total upside or what the price will do. Okay, so we shouldn't go that much into the future. So this is the movement, this is the upcoming week movement. Very possible. It can even tag the top, make a double top, even passing it and then going down and down. Good one, yeah. I will be watching it, but nothing as it stands right now. 1 hour 15 minutes, nothing. Still struggling there. Yeah, we will wait. US oil, same there. That one is even better. That one is even better. I like it very much. And now we are going for this movement. Okay, first back to the trend line, but I do believe this time we will be going and go through that trend line. We will be breaking this structure over there. So watch it. Good setup as well. I will mark it with the purple, with the blue, because that's a really nice setup. That's a really nice setup. Go for this sell. Once you get the setup, all right. Don't just jump in, like I said. Don't just sell because I say there will be the sell. No, wait for the sell setup. You still need to have structure confirmation for this sell. Okay, but good movement over there to the downside. US 500. What we are doing over there? That's it's there. It could be one quick retest of the top and then going lower, or it can start from where it is right now, because then this is not, then this will not be the structure. Then this is something that's completed already. This is possible as well, and then we can, during the week, we can watch for sell stop, sell stop, sell stop, sell stop, and then these just dipping and dipping, going lower and lower, lower and lower. Very possible as well. To see much more than buy setup. I wouldn't bet on buy setup that strong, because daily we are too high in the structure. This is loss of momentum totally, and I wouldn't take the buy stops. I would rather focus on sell stops, because if I would focus on buy stops, I could miss those sells. Look at that one. Every sell, it's much stronger. Every sell, it's much stronger. More volatility is there. Something is building over there. Based on that, based on reactions, so I do believe we are going down instead of up. So this is probably the high. Okay, so I would really go and cancel the buy stop. I wouldn't take a buy setup over there. I would just wait for more downside pullback and then take a sell. Okay, so I will take the sell over there and this to go breaking all those lows. Definitely deeper than that, deeper than this low, it will just extend and extend lower and lower. How far? Very possible we can visit this bottom. Very possible scenario. So wait for pullback, go. And this could be everything. This is something that it's very high accurate. Just wait for sell stops and you can go for it then. Follow it. US 30. US 30. Going down. Did this one broke the top? No, it didn't. Nothing for now. I need more confirmation. Literally. That's the sell. It just bothers me that this one didn't break the top. But taking the sell, it's a good idea. Watching how that develops over there and taking the sells over there. And this movement, alright, first. Or wait for another correction. Wait for another pullback, which will be much more clear from where it stands right now. Alright, so let's drop and pull back over there and then take the trade. But sell. Okay, I think all indexes are sell. NASDAQ. I think this is the sell. This is going lower. Very possible sell. So follow it. Follow this. Pullback, entry, pullback, entry. At least back to the previous low. There could be a nice opportunity, nice chance for sells over there. UK 100. Down. This down. Okay, trade it all the way back to the trend line, at least something like this. And then we will see what the price will do. So follow the sell stops. Okay, follow it. This one's good. This one is good. You can go for it. Keep an eye on it. That could be the trend line. That could be the entry. I mean entry target, sorry. Back to the trend line. At least to 7. Oh yeah, perfect. At least this. This is the minimum. But if the price will be aggressive, you can hold it. German. These are showing buy setup, but it makes no sense if all indexes are dropping. He's supposed to not go up. We will see. There is the buy setup showing and forming the buy setup. We will see it can even go and break all those tops and then it will go lower. Okay, so it can break those tops and then it can turn slightly higher and then bang lower. Very possible. Very possible scenario. And of course Bitcoin. This is what we were waiting for. Definitely the sell setup. We've been forecasting this in the previous live session. So if you wasn't there, what we were doing over there was we were forecasting this one leg higher. All right, because structurally it shows like 1 2 3. We've been forecasting it from there. All right, so this is forecasted. If you go back and watch the live streaming, in case you are not there, You'll see we're forecasting exact movement. It happens, and look at that one. It's perfectly going lower, and I still do believe we will be heading lower and lower. He's completed for me. Okay, so he structurally has to push lower now. He will be going lower and lower, lower and lower, lower and lower. All right, these to go at least back to that low. Highly likely. So make sure you're watching only for sell stops. I don't see any buy setup currently as it stands right now. So only sell stops. Don't buy. Since previous week, if you were trading Bitcoin, hope you already in these positions, because it could be better and nicer. Now it's just going lower and lower. Just pushing lower and lower. All right. That's it. Follow it. Just follow it all the way to the downside. That move could be pretty nice. Nice money could be there. 270, yeah, very possible. Very, very possible. This is basically the first correction in this downside movement. Look at that one. That's very, very good move. Very good sell stop. Take it. Load it. Follow the flow with the sell, alright? If you are trading it, then that's for you. There isn't any buy yet. I wouldn't buy it. I wouldn't buy this kind of flow to the downside yet. Buy will be down there at 70, around the 70. So somewhere there around the 70, I will start buying the Bitcoin for the longer term, for the investment purpose. But once you, if you know how to trade, so why would you invest? It's not making sense. Investing doesn't have that much money as trading does. So once you learn reading structures, once you learn how to trade, you are never ever back to investing. It literally makes no sense. All right, so that's it. I will end the webinar over there. It's been almost an hour of the webinar. We went through all the market. We checked what happened previous week, small recap. We went through all the pairs, discussed them, showing this week movement. Definitely you to keep everything. Don't just jump for the trades because of analysis. Wait for the mechanical confirmation. Wait for the confirmation from the chart. Okay, chart needs to confirm this kind of direction we are having, because when you have some assumption where the market should move, and secondly you have the structure which is telling to you which direction the market should go, and then you have the third one, the mechanical confirmation from the market. So you have 3 steps. Okay, first your assumption, second structure, and third confirmation from the market. That means then this setup is with high probability, very likely to happen, and then you can trade it. This is where your probability will grow, and this is how you will make more money on the chart with trading. All right, so make sure you are following those 3 steps. It will definitely make a huge difference with your trading. Okay, so that's it, guys. If you liked and enjoyed this video, make sure you like it. Please leave a comment under the video. Let me know if these setups and these weekly market outlooks are helpful to you. And make sure you subscribe, turn the notification bars on so you'll not miss the next live streaming. And of course, make sure you join the Discord. This is where I will post the updates. I will update you there, what we are doing, where we are going, and so on, when we will be live, so you cannot miss it. All right, so take care, enjoy your week, and let's make this week profitable. Take care, bye bye.